Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very quick video doing a initial review of the Ohuhu Belt Organizer. This is going to be a 16 hook belt organizer that you can use for your closet space. It'll basically hang off your normal hanger in a closet and allow you to hang up to 16 hooks. One thing that I did notice is that when it first got packaged here, the hooks were pointing like this direction, but they do rotate, so they rotate out. And it's much easier to put the belts on. If you had it this way, it's almost impossible to slide them in. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hang all my belts, show you what it looks like afterwards. This is on Amazon for only $8, so it's a great way, bang for your buck, to store your belts in a closet space in a compact, very organized way. Okay, so this is what it looks like after hanging them up. It's very compact. You could slide this around however you need. The nice thing is it allowed me up to basically whatever it is, 6 belts on one side or 7 belts on one side because it's 14 slots. And then the other nice thing about this is this does rotate. And so you can rotate it here and slide it down here if you want to store it that way, or if you have more space you can turn it whichever direction you want. The one thing you do have to notice is that it is kind of balanced, so if you have it top heavy on one side it will kind of tilt on its own, so that's the kind of one drawback. However, if it's balanced like this with all the belts, you're good to go. The other thing I did want to mention is that I do have a bunch of ties that I need to hang too, and I actually purchased their hanger for their ties, which is a very similar setup. It just has hooks for ties, but I'll leave a link in the description below for this if you want to purchase it on Amazon. It's only $8, and I think it's a phenomenal way to store your belts easily in your closet space. So thanks for watching and have a great day.